Hello everyone, my name is Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. This week's weekly report that we are carrying at MarketSmith India carries some really cool stuff. One, in terms of the market positioning that we always discuss, we are carrying a special article, and obviously I think the best part, 5 stocks to probably look at. So without further ado, let me take you directly to the report and what the report probably looks like. So here we are at the MarketSmith site in the research section. If you probably go to the weekly report, this is what you can see and witness. Now, within the weekly report itself, the markets were clearly struggling between that very, very tight range of 23,800 and 24,200. Last 2 days, on a Friday and on a Monday, particularly today, I think the markets have surpassed that higher end of the range. And therefore, I think the higher end of the resistance is something to be watched out for. Sectorally, as we've been always pointing out, Nifty Bank, Nifty Pharma, one of the few sectors which probably are in a confirmed uptrend. Nifty IT seems to be in a confirmed downtrend as we speak from a sectoral perspective. And consumer durables and metals are two sectors which seem to be under pressure. So I think this is a brief in terms of how sectors are probably positioned, just as an overview. Why distribution days are extremely important is something that we have been very, very strong proponents of. And they are very, very consistent over the last few weeks. 5 to 6 distribution days is something that you've probably seen consistently being reported. However, the broader markets still seem to be in a territory of their own. Nifty is probably just catching up as we speak. And therefore, distribution day count is a very important tool as per the O'Neill methodology, as per Kansley, in probably trying to identify if the market is making any tops, along with the sectoral biases that I just probably put forth, which probably reduces the risk in terms of assumptions and a human bias as far as market positioning is concerned. The special article that we've carried, there is a special article that we are carrying in our research page on the sovereign premium trade, why the offshore mineral vehicles is a misguided assets. A very good read in my opinion. Don't want to spend much time because there is a dedicated article outside this report on our research tab as well. And one of the best places to probably get the ideas which are probably breaking out, at least on a weekly basis that we see at MarketSmith India. And a few ideas are obviously on your screen as I'm just loading through it. But a couple of these ideas, including the one that I'm not pointing out, Knowledge Marine, which I'll take to the screen right now, seems to be very well placed as we speak from an O'Neill lens as we are looking at it. And therefore, if you probably look at the expectation in terms of this dredging company, the kind of fleet that they've got, 45 big fleet sizes that they've probably deployed, it's showing amazing amount of strength as we speak. And the expectation in terms of financials is that it is largely holding up. Very strong EBIT margins, very strong ROCs and ROEs. It probably fulfills a large part of the checklist as well. And the assumptions in terms of expectations on how fund holding is a little bit on the lower side, but this is one stock that we probably kept on our radar as far as the weekly report probably goes. The other stock that we've kept on our radar is Shringar Gems, into the jewelry segment, into Bangal Sutras as we speak. Again, very, very strong financials. So if you probably look at how the financials have probably played out, the top line growth has been exemplary on a year-on-year basis. The bottom line growth has been very, very strong, which means that EPS that they report, the EPS weighting rankings that the stock has, is very, very strong placed. It meets our benchmark in terms of ROEs as well. And yes, again, a little bit low in terms of institutional holding and just meeting our benchmarks. But I think these are a couple of ideas that are probably getting reflected in our weekly report. For more in terms of what the report probably carries, please follow the link at MarketSmith India.